Today, we've got some game-changing news in the world of smartphones. It seems like Apple might have some serious competition on its hands with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. While it might seem a bit premature to discuss the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the rumors swirling around are too juicy to ignore. The battleground for smartphone supremacy is shifting, and it appears that Samsung, in collaboration with Qualcomm, could be poised to snatch the crown from Apple. The key player in this scenario, Qualcomm's Snapdragon Ag Gen 4 chip. Over the past few years, there's been a noticeable shift in the balance of power. Apple's A-series chips, once considered unbeatable, have faced stiff competition from Qualcomm's Ag Gen 2 and Ag Gen 3 chips, which have gradually closed the performance gap. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra already outperforming their iPhone counterparts in graphics performance, the Ag Gen 4 is primed to take things to the next level. The latest rumor from China suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could feature a mind-boggling 4.3 GHz clock speed, courtesy of the Qualcomm Snapdragon Ag Gen 4 chip. This chip introduces the cutting-edge Orion CPU cores originally designed for laptops and computers, promising unparalleled smartphone performance. Now, let's talk numbers. The rumored single-core score for the Ag Gen 4 is expected to exceed 3,500, far surpassing the struggles of Apple's 18 chip to reach a 3,300 score. And that's not all. Expect the Ag Gen 4 to dominate in multi-core and GPU performance as well. Just imagine the immersive gaming experience on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With a GPU lead over Apple and superior CPU performance, Samsung could potentially revolutionize the gaming landscape. Here's hoping Samsung collaborates with game studios to bring console-level games to the smartphone platform. It's almost as if Qualcomm has stumbled upon a cheat code with the Orion CPU cores. Unlike Apple's exclusive use of the M-series chips, Qualcomm is democratizing access to these powerful cores, potentially reshaping the industry. The move to a 3-in process is expected to further enhance efficiency compared to the Ag Gen 3's 4-in process. It seems that Qualcomm is gearing up to redefine the boundaries and deliver a level of smartphone performance previously unimaginable. Could this spell the end of Apple's dominance? Only time will tell, but one thing's for certain. Qualcomm is on a mission to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of smartphones. But wait, there's more. The Ag Gen 4 isn't just about raw power. We can expect even more incredible generative AI features. Samsung has hinted at the development of next-gen AI features, potentially bringing real-time video and photo generation to our smartphones. As we eagerly await the launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the anticipation is palpable. The promise of next-gen features and mind-bending AI capabilities has us all eagerly awaiting what Samsung has in store for us. And remember, we're still a ways off from the official launch, so stay tuned for updates. That's all for today's video. If you're as excited as I am about these rumors, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And to all the Apple fans out there, I'd love to hear from you too. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more thrilling tech updates. Until next time, peace out.